Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Happy Independence Day here in Portugal, April 25th. 25 de Abril. Viva! This is where Portugal on April 25th became independent. It used to be a dictatorship, and they celebrate it every year. And today we thought, let's go to the house, and we're going to celebrate by working a little bit around here. We're also going to take you for a tour.
Yeah, because some of you have been asking what's happening with the house, and we haven't really been showing that much because there hasn't been a lot going on. Things are starting to progress a little bit quicker. So we thought today would be a good day to show you what's happening.
Yeah, and this is not about a reno. Okay, it's just basically about a tour that we want to show you, just for you that are watching our videos for the first time. We did buy a house about a year ago, and we just wanted to give you a bit of a tour in case you didn't see our original one, just to give you a little bit of an update also on the reno and some of the things that we're doing at the house, but at the same time we'll show you around.
The noise you're hearing in the background is the crackling of the fire. So Carlos is going to be doing a barbecue for lunch.
Yes. So I think there's the fire there in the corner. Well, there it is, right between us. Anyways, we're going to just barbecue some chicken.
It's getting a little smoky in here.
Yeah, it is. This used to be a pigsty here. We've done this before. And we thought today, nice day, blue skies, a little bit of rain earlier, but now it's good. And hope you enjoy it.
We'll see you around the homestead. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a little tour of the house if you haven't seen it before. These are purple flowers. It's springtime. The flowers are coming out. And we've got a garden in the front here. I actually started weed whacking this because we tried to pull the weeds out and they just keep coming back. So I thought the best solution was just to weed whack it, and hopefully it turns into a nice lawn. We don't want to use chemicals, so we felt that that was the best way to go about it. And here's the house, the front of the house. We'll take you up on the porch and then show you the view. And then we'll take you around the back where we're doing the barbecue. And here's the view. Panoramic views. And next door, where our car is, we own that land as well. And I'll show you that later. So a little bit what's happening with the house here. As you know, we took the walls down and we put the electrical wires in. So you see where these patches are? The wire is behind that. So they have to cut into the stone wall to put the wires in. And there's an example of some tubing, and the wires are inside the tubing here. So there used to be another bedroom in this area where we took the walls down. And here's the kitchen. And here's where the oven was, and we took the oven out. It was the way the Portuguese used to cook way back when. Big stone ovens. So we took it out and decided, hey, why not put an extension? It made sense to go out to the backyard. So in this spot, we're going to put a water heater tank, because the usual way that they heat the water here is by propane, and you never know when the propane's going to run out. So we thought maybe a water tank would be better. And here's one of the windows that we put in. It's going to be some beautiful sunshine coming in. Sorry I couldn't show you at the back, but they've closed this in till the workers come back. And this is down the hallway here. Actually, here, I can show you out the back. It's a little bit messy because they've got sand there for cement. So here's an example of the electrical wiring going into the wall. And then we're going to put some sconces here. And another one here. And the bathroom. So Carlos took all the tiles out, as you've seen in the other video. So we're going to take the tub out and put a walk-in shower and replace the toilet. We're going to get rid of this bidet and we're going to put the sink here with the mirror. And here is going to be a bedroom. Originally this was the dining room. And this is all going to be drop ceiling. I forgot to mention before, in the living area space, we're going to keep the cathedral ceilings and put drywall. But in the bedrooms and the bathroom, we're going to put drop ceilings with pot lights. So this is going to be the second bedroom. And there was a hole here to go into the basement. We're going to be closing that up. And then we're going to have a nice glass door here because it has a little patio. You can have your own private little patio. We will be renting this house out on Airbnb. So we thought that would be kind of cute to have a little private patio from the bedroom. So now I'll take you guys out around the back so you can see. So in this spot, we're going to put a gate just to give it a little bit more privacy and security. And we're going to raise this wall up about 6 feet. And that's our lava rock house. That's a future project. Way in the future, I think. Got lots to do here. And then here we're probably going to put the barbecue. And the reason for that is because it can get quite windy up here. So we have these walls here that add some protection. So we figured that this would be the best spot for it. Sorry about the mess, guys. And then this is the back. So we're going to cement this part and put a little deck here. And if you've seen in previous videos, I did do a garden just at the top there. And it's all overgrown. You really have to be here full time to do these gardens, or you have to hire someone to take care of it. Oh, there's Carlos barbecuing. That's where we started the video. And there's a little pig pen here. I think they use this for a pig pen. And we were actually thinking of using this as a hot tub that's heated with wood. It's quite popular now.
They're pretty common in glamping and camping areas, cottages. So I think the view here, just sitting there having a cocktail, beer, glass of wine, sunset, I mean, it'll be awesome. And then we could also use the rest of this, create a little a nook, put some, maybe a pergola, a little bar area out here, another barbecue, smaller, you know, because out here you can be away from the house. It's a whole different experience, a whole different view. Pico's right behind us. And I just think be sitting in this hot tub with that view would be, it's like $1 million view, no doubt about it.
So now I'm just going to show you the land that we have next to us. We didn't realize that this land came with the house. So that was a bonus. And behind us are vineyards. They're not our vineyards, someone else owns them. It's just a beautiful view, and you've got all the spring flowers coming out. It's so pretty. You can see the ocean perfectly from here. Just another view. And then over here, I built another garden, as you can see. Yeah, it's all weeds. But you know, I think the process was the fun part. And here is our compost that we built. Now we're pretty much experimenting with all this, but it was a lot of fun growing my plants from seedlings and watching them grow. Anyways, guys, that's a little bit of our tour. And we're gonna have lunch soon. So we'll see you after that.
Let's take a look to see how the chicken's doing. Looks like it's coming along. Don't get too close. Oh yeah, it's the perfect barbecue. I know some of you have been asking about the RENO. The next steps are obviously this extension has been closed, tiled, insulated, and so forth. The next step is the window and the doors put in, and then that kind of just waits until the rest. The next step is to finally protect the roof, fix the tiles, insulate, and then inside we're going to drywall. In here, okay, like we mentioned in previous videos, we're going to drywall, so still lots of work to do. I don't know what else to tell you. Definitely frustrated, and it's a learning experience, and at the end of the day you just have to stay positive, and
you must believe.
It does make a difference if you're here. And we're going back May 12th, but I'll probably come back earlier, and then Laura will stay 3 months and then come. We'll keep you posted. Anything we learn, we'll pass it on, and we will do a video just on the renovations and show you, all right?
It's almost the end of the day, and Carlos went to meet one of our followers, Julian, who you have seen in our previous videos. He was actually here for 3 months, and he's going to be heading home soon. So Carlos went down to take him out for a beer, and I've been pretty much weed whacking around the property because I like things clean, and did a little bit of planting. Those plants that I showed you in the last video, I actually picked up a few small ones and replanted them. So I'll show you where I put them. I'll take you up here and show you where we put them. This is our little house on the hill. Lots of spring flowers growing here, you can see. Little purple ones and yellow ones. And here's those plants. So if anyone knows what these plants are called, please leave a comment down below. That would be very appreciated. So we planted 2 there. And then we planted a couple more up here. We have little baby ones in there too. And there's the pineapples Joe and Carlos planted last year. And they're getting little baby ones too. Anyways, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. But we really hope you enjoyed it. We just wanted to give you a bit of an update on the house. I know we keep saying that it's a slow process, and you know, we talk to our family here and other people, and they say welcome to Pico. Everything's slow, especially with construction. But we are enjoying the process and we love being here. So right now, I'm just going to be continuing to work on the garden, and we will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please share. And we will see you next time. Ciao, guys.